LEGO Technic Off-Roader MOC full live axle suspension system. This vehicle was designed very carefully, and I spent time figuring out how to make it perfect. It's a small scale for wheel drive and has a 2-speed gearbox built in the rear, and runs onto large LEGO motors and steered with a worm gear. In this truck there are no diffs, only because it's a crawler. The suspension is satisfying. Please help me reach 1K subscribers on YouTube and 100 followers on TikTok before December 2022. So one day I can afford my dream car.
Everything about you, yeah, I adore. Got my love like it's all yours. Yeah, you that thing I've been praying for.